Okay, so today we're going to be making slime, and we forgot the lotion. Who got the lotion? We have our glue in here with some, we're making black slime, so we put some black food coloring. Here's the black. Okay, so now we're just going to put in some lotion to make it, what, how do you say it? Stretchy.
Stretchy.
Okay, here, mix it up. We're going to mix up the color.
We're going to make the slime black.
Wait, is that good? No, we're going to add a little bit more.
And we need...
Go.
Okay. To make black slime, you have to do this.
And more. It's making it gray, not black. Okay, so if you're going to use black, and you're using regular Elmer's glue, and it's white, it's going to make it gray, so just add a lot of black. See?
We're a good slime girls. We're good. We're good.
Okay, so we mixed it up now, and it's like a grayish type of color. And we're just going to leave it like that, because if we use more black, it's probably going to be empty. So now what we're going to do is, I have my bottle with borax with water.
She made it.
And just mix it up. Okay, now it's already mixed up, and I'm going to start putting it in. It's already starting to form.
It's not actually black, it's just gray. It is black, but I don't know what happened. But super.
It's starting to work.
It is.
Okay, so that if it's still sticky, that means you need to put more borax.
Yep.
Okay, so I kind of mixed it up now.
Yeah.
And it looks like this. And by the way, she's Eileen, and she's my weird sister. That bugs me all the time. And I'm Priscilla.
She always bugs me too.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now we're just picking up all the slime that's stuck on the sides.
Yeah. We have a collection of slimes.
Okay, so I put it out on the plate. And this is what it looks like.